Hey gang, welcome back to Opa's Diecast Wrecks and Restorations. Today we're going to get to work on the 1979 Corgi DC Comics Penquinmobile. Rather scratched up, dirty, not much to it, but it should still be fun. So let's have some fun. Started out by drilling all the rivets out of it. And there's actually two that hold the base on and two more that hold the interior pieces together. Started out with the 1/16. Had to be real careful on the front one. It was very, very shallow post. So I knew that one was going to just be a dab of CA glue. Stepping up to a slightly larger bit, knocking off the caps. Excuse my poor filming there. Popped off real easy. File down the posts a little bit, clean them up. Make sure the base goes back on easy for reassembly. And it did. And of course, gotta tap those holes. Make sure you brush off your tap. I'd already dropped some Arl in the holes first. Get your button head screws in. 256 button head screws. Now it's time for some stripper. We didn't use Fifi this time. She's on vacation. Actually, we did use Fifi. As you'll see, this stripper wouldn't eat the stickers off. So I ended up afterwards sticking it in our favorite stripper, Fifi, and letting it soak for about an hour. to get the stickers off. But in the meantime, the other stripper took the paint off just fine. I buffed it up with the wire wheel. I had also Scotch brighted it. I dip it in our mineral spirits, give it a little wash, let that dry, and it's time for our primer. This wasn't a big restoration. Like I said, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces involved in the whole car. But it was really dirty and it needed to be cleaned up and refreshed, restored. I used white primer this time. Let's get all the kids in the bath here. For good scrubbing, some hot soap and water. Time for our final paint job. I agree with Austin and them. It's a bitch to try to paint white on video. You don't see a lot of detail. Touching up the wheels, the chrome. The wheels were in really good condition. Just needed to be re-chromed. Getting ready for putting it reassembly in. Time for the decal. One of my subscribers asked me or told me that I should start using the Q-tips instead of my fingers so much, and I think I agree. Easier to work it around with the Q-tip and the brush. I guess this car is based on the McLaren. It's what it sure looks like to me, so just not a lot of detail in it. Yes, I know I still got the fingers in there. I got the decals from Black Square Decals in the UK. Here's a little look back at what we started with. Scratched up, dirty as hell, in definite need of a restoration. And here's how it turned out. All bright white, decals, cleaned up. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. For now, this is Opa saying goodbye.